Welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we're just starting on trimming out the bedroom, the basement bedroom. So I've got baseboard to do, I've got casing around the door and the window, and then I have the cap to do. So because it's a raised, well, either a raised bungalow, backsplit, side split, all has a cement wall, and then you have the upper part, which is either a 2x4 or 2x6 wall. So I need a cap for it. So this is 11 1/4 by 96 inches. This is like a pre-painted MDF shelf board. It's super cheap, so I'm going to use this. And what I have to do is just fit it to the wall. So there's a couple little spots. There's like some gaps. I'm going to put some trim there. I could just fill that with caulking. So it's either caulking or trim. I'll have to see what I like the best. And then on the front, I'm going to put trim on the front here. That's why I didn't bother to seal these drywall screws, those holes. And then, anyway, so we'll start here. I've got to do a funky corner. So let me show you this. So first, we had described this, right? So I've got to make that cut so it sits pretty flush. And then over here, I've got this funky corner, so I'm going to have to cut this back, cut this on an angle, bring the other one in, cut it on an angle. Alright, so I've got the foundation wall, the cement wall cap on, and now I'm going to attach it with some 2-inch brad nails, and I'm going to use a brad nailer. So I have, in the back by the wall here, there's a bit of a frame piece there. It's a 2x2 back there, and then I have foam, and then there's the wall here, and the wall's insulated. So I'm not going to use a lot of nails, but just a few, just to keep this cap down. I want it to be removable, just in case we have issues later on. So. Alright, and now we're going to measure to put the base trim around here. So, all the way there, and we're at 92.5 plus 3 inches, 95.5. Tiny bit off the end. Alright. So, got this piece of trim here, and we'll fix that. Alright, here's another little tip. So in the corners over here, what we have in those corners is we put in tape on the drywall for the corners to fill the gap. And then you put mud on top of that tape, so the corners aren't 90 degrees anymore. Now they're a little bit washed out. So in order to get away from that, what we will do is I'll shave a bit of this sharp edge off, and that'll give it a little bit more room to get into the corner. It doesn't matter, because that part you can't see, right? So it doesn't matter if it's missing. Alright. So you can only see this part in front. Let's put that in, see how it looks.